Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. It's good to have you all back here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. We're going to do a daily update on XRP. I've been covering XRP daily for basically since for the last 11 days. So if that's something you're interested in as well, perhaps at the end of the video, after you've seen my style of analyzing, consider subscribing. You don't have to, but it would help me out a ton, right? So we'll talk about XRP. We'll do a full technical update. There's not that much to talk about fundamentally. Like, obviously, we all heard the news about the SEC potentially appealing the decision, and sure, we might get some bearish momentum from that, but I think overall that actually won't matter that much. Like, we might get some bearish momentum from that on the short term, but then I also think we would bounce back pretty quickly because then we realize that it actually doesn't matter, and we'll get into some sort of a cycle again in which we have to wait for judgments and stuff. Which is obviously far from ideal, but like I said, doesn't matter that much. So we'll do a full update on XRP. I'll tell you what I expect. I'll tell you the different scenarios. Before we do that though, I've recently partnered up with GRAPE, which is a new project. They're launching their token very, very soon. You can already buy the token on their website. And no, this is not just shilling. It's actually a great project. Like I said, the link is down in the description. I would 100% recommend you to check this out, because I do think it has potential. Short term, not sure. Long term, I do think so. I bought it for the long term. Great project, has some AI features, has some gaming features, and therefore has exposure to certain crypto narratives, which is, I think, a very big reason why I bought. But if you want to check that out, they're launching on centralized exchanges very, very soon. You can still buy at a discount right now. Link is down in the description. But for now, onto XRP, because that's obviously why you came to this video, all right? So if we take a look at XRP, volume down quite significantly, 27%, which yesterday we still complimented XRP that the volume actually remains pretty steady. But now what we're seeing, and it's really going against the market, because Bitcoin's volume, as expected, is up 25%. It's the beginning of the week. Volume almost always goes up. And what we've seen with XRP is that there is a bit of a rise in volume the last hour or so. But apart from that, it actually dropped down significantly. And that's significant because we also had a bearish breakout. You can see right here, this level, which I actually should drag down a little bit. This level around 73.3 cents broke. And historically, that's a very significant level. And you can also see that we already retested that area. So we are seeing a loss of momentum / volume while also getting a bearish breakout, and that's significant. I think most of you will realize why that's significant. So altogether, what we're also seeing is some sort of a shift, right? You can also see that the EMAs have now turned into resistance. The 50 EMA is also arguably respected. So what we'll see today, because I do think we'll see bullish momentum from Bitcoin, which we're already seeing a little bit right now if you zoom in enough. So that's significant, but what we'll see is that XRP, with that bullish momentum from Bitcoin, will probably retest the area between 74 and 75 cents. If we cannot break above that, I think some sort of bearish confirmation is there. And I think it's then expected that we'll get up to 70 cents. Find support there, but I think overall there's quite a big magnet to this level down here around 65 and 64 cents. Like, for example, if we get news from the SEC that they're appealing the decision, we could spike down to that area. But apart from that, also just technically, like I said, if we don't break above 74, 75, we could also slowly trend down to that level, right? Then it's more likely that it will be slowly. But yeah, so that looks like the most likely scenario for now. If for some reason we are able to break above 75 cents, say that I'm wrong, all right? I don't care. But in that case, I'm not trading XRP for this reason, all right? Because there's a possibility we break above 75 cents. If we do that, market structure is broken. We're not necessarily bullish, but we're also not bearish, all right? And then we'll probably consolidate a bit between 77 and 73 cents until I'm back with another analysis, because XRP will wait for me. But that's my take on XRP for now. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss the analysis, I am always open for that. Just let me know down in the comments, or join the Telegram or the Discord groups down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.